Hello, my name is Manny and welcome to Lathe and Laser. Today we're going to work on a very simple, cheap, but profitable project. Today we're going to laser engrave these acacia wood coasters. This is a very simple project that is very profitable. Total investment is $2.99. You can potentially sell this in any marketplace for $20 for a set of four by putting simple designs on the coasters, or you can sell them between $25 to $30 per set if you start making custom made orders like family names, initials, weddings, birthdays. You can design the seasonal themes like Thanksgiving, Christmas, anything you want. So I'm going to show you how to do this. Today we're going to be using two software platforms. One is called Creative Fabrica and the other one is called Lightburn. So let's get to work.
So what we're going to do is go to a website called Creative Fabrica. This is a website that has just millions of designs. As you can see, Christmas is coming, so they're already posting Christmas designs, but you can really search for anything. So for coasters, it depends on what you like. You can put little animals on it, a beach theme coaster, some symbols. So what I'm going to do for this video, I'm just going to do different things. For example, let's see what we can find. These are all my favorites. I could do like a firefighter theme. This one's good right here. So we'll go here and we'll download it. And we'll open it. It's usually in a zip drive file. What you got to do is just open. So you have different files here for the different types of software if you want to use different softwares, but I usually just use the Microsoft picture software, which is this one's right here. I think I may need to crop it, so I'll just go ahead and click on edit and just get rid of all that white space as much as I can so I can get the most out of the laser. So there we go, and we'll save it. Copy, yep, and I'll save it to the desktop as a JPEG or JPG file. So that's saved, and you can continue to look for designs that you may like. And you got a little bit of Norse mythology here. Then you got veterans. Just pretty much anything you want. So I'm going to choose 4 different ones. Now, if you see this type of file right here, you could see this file is almost all dark. This is not going to work on a wooden coaster. You might want to find like a rock coaster, but that will be a different video. I will make these on a rock coaster or materials so you can see the difference. You got barbecue themes, etc. So I'm going to choose 4, and oh, these are nice, and start engraving.
All right, so we're going to use the Creality Falcon 2, 22 watts. We're going to start with a simple coaster. For this project, we are using light burn, and we're going to start with this simple firefighting theme design. So let's see how it comes out.